How to set up a custom lock screen in iOS 18.1. Hey guys, in today's video I'll show you how to set up a custom lock screen in iOS 18.1 with widgets, wallpapers, and more. Let's dive in. Access lock screen customization. Unlock your iPhone and swipe down from top of the screen. Press and hold the lock screen until the Customize button appears. Create a new lock screen. Tap the plus button or swipe left to add a new lock screen. Select a wallpaper option from categories like photos, emoji, or astronomy. Pick a wallpaper, add widgets to the lock screen. Tap the widget area under the clock. Choose from widgets like weather, battery, or calendar. Change the clock font and color. Tap on the clock to open customization options. Select your preferred font style and adjust the color to match your wallpaper. Preview and save your lock screen. Tap Add in the top right corner to save your lock screen setup. Set up multiple lock screens. Repeat the process to create more custom lock screens. Swipe between them by holding the lock screen and selecting the one you want. And that's it. With these steps, you can customize your iOS 18.1 lock screen to match your personality. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.